Over there, right? Hello, I may miss Jerome of Leppy. Hey, you can see me. I think this is a map. I think I in the desert here. Like I made it. I have now I in the desert here. This is a stabilizer. And this is the other stabilizer here. This is a giant tire. This is a normal tire. You gotta see this. This is a small bucket here. This is a small over there the tire thing. Because rubber, some rubber can drive and you drive yourself, but it's in the controller in here. And when we get down in here already, right? Okay. This is the engine. Can you see that? What goes in the backpack here? Look in the front one. This is over here. This one is a lever. You do this. I think I explained it. We do like this. It's a long, up there long. It's a long track. It's really long. It's a lever. Control him and we can stop. This is a headline. This is a front. This is a front, but we drive in a single camera. We can drive at about a night powder in the day. And we need to drive in the night day. We just can't drive. This is the up there. This look. But the sticker on him over there is called destiny. So it can't bad, but it's good. It can. I will climb out. I think so. Let me take that down and another 100. And there's a big bucket over there. And this is a giant bucket. The front bucket over there is really baby. But I cannot not talk over there too. And this is like a put that top two over there. This is there. And I cannot put it up there over there. Oh, this is the furthest step. This queen, now. I in the distance now. What do we do now? We get down. We get down. Okay, I have a toy dump tow truck, and he got a okay, he got a climb. Got a climb. Noise rock can drive, and we are only doing that. I just